the discovery that grounding can lead to active wellness, Nikken has put together the Kenko Precision Set, which combines grounding with magnetic massage. Both connect the body to nature and to amplify our natural electrical flow. Researchers believe that when magnetic massage is paired with grounding, positive health effects are intensified. This is a growing area of self-care, and Nikken is at the forefront. The Kenko Precision Set is composed of a sphere and a wand. Each piece can be plugged into a USB port. All you have to do is make sure your USB device is plugged into a grounded outlet. When the sphere or the wand makes contact with the skin, the indicator light will glow to let you know you have successfully grounded. Tourmaline resin gives off electrons when exposed to heat or motion, which creates a calming effect, similar to those found in natural environments. The precision wand has a ceramic reflective silicone sleeve and a 1,500 Gauss plated neodymium magnet tip. The wand allows you to pinpoint exactly where you want to focus magnetic energy and help break up tightness or tension. Once properly plugged in, simply roll the sphere on any part of the body you choose, or aim the wand on specific areas that require attention. You may experience reduced muscle tension, stiffness, and fatigue. An overall sense of relaxation may help dispel feelings of stress, anxiety, and discomfort. The Kenko Precision Set is compact, portable, unique, and effective. Experience balanced energy as you connect to the earth. Only from Nikken.